Okay, so this is where we're at. Yes. So today we are here. Finally, we're gonna start to work on the front section for a new project. Yesterday I didn't do much filming because the wind was so high that if I put my camera, it will blow it off the scaffolding. So I didn't do much filming yesterday, but I still want to take you around and show you what I did yesterday and show you what I'm about to do today. Hope you learned something from this video. Hope you enjoy it. Let's dive right into it. I'm not even going to keep you guys waiting too long. Yesterday I worked my way up. I installed that second piece of precast there, and I finish up top there, as you see. I work all the way up there, finish that piece up there, and we already finished this section. If you haven't seen the video for those sections, feel free to check it out. I want to take you around there and show you what Mr. Green did yesterday. On this section, Mr. Green!
Yes sir, I got you.
How are you today?
Wow. How are you guys doing? Another day on the job.
Awesome, it's not
now
too
we're
bad
going to be
today.
catching the corner right over here, making sure that we are lined up with the beam.
Awesome.
So we're going to use a 2x4 to make sure the corner, we got our line set. So we just place this up and make sure it's in line with the beam, where the brick is going to be at least 1/4 inch over.
Listen from the pro. Okay, so that is where Mr. Green worked yesterday. He worked to finish that section, go all the way over there.
The line will do it.
Yeah, after you put the line.
Yeah.
You just check everything before you pursue with whatever you do. Make sure we get it right. Boys need coffee in the morning, huh?
Okay, lean it up instead of putting it down. Let's go ahead and here.
Put the water on, Crystal can put it, you know. Hey Green, just take your time and get it right. Nobody rush, you know. Okay, I take you around. I show you what Mr. Green did. I show you what I did. Enough said. Let's dive right into the video. Before I jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. Let's get started. Today we're here to continue on with our stonework. Yesterday we did this much here. Today we're gonna work hopefully to try and finish this section, and we're gonna work along the front section here to finish it. Pretty sure you will learn something. Continue to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is where we're at. Finish this section. Now we're gonna do some jointing. Later on above there gonna be veneer stone. As you see, I step over 2 inches for my veneer stone. Step over 2 inches there. So now we're gonna come back for a joint. Later on we're gonna do the wire brush. Okay guys, so we finish our jointing. It's dry enough. Now we're gonna use our wire brush to finish our joint. Well, there you have it guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.